Ready to turn up the heat on fat burn? Well, you're in the right place. These 7 fruits are your new best pals in your journey to a leaner, healthier you. Let's dive right into nature's sweet secret weapons for burning fat. These fruits are not just delicious, but they also come with a host of benefits that can help you shed those extra pounds. First up, apples. Not only are they crisp and delicious, but they're also packed with fiber to keep you full longer. The pectin in apples helps you feel satiated, reducing your overall calorie intake. Next, we've got berries. Strawberries, blueberries, you name it. These tiny powerhouses are bursting with antioxidants and scream low calorie. They are perfect for snacking, adding to your breakfast, or even as a dessert. Berries are not only delicious, but also help in reducing inflammation and improving your metabolism. They are a great addition to any weight loss diet. Moving on to grapefruits, a true breakfast champion. Their tangy goodness helps kickstart your metabolism. Grapefruits are known to help in reducing insulin levels, which can lead to weight loss. And don't overlook pears, the unsung heroes that are just brimming with fiber and flavor. Pears are great for digestion and can help you feel full longer, making them a perfect snack. Watermelon steps up next, hydrating and sweet with a fat-burning amino acid called arginine. Watermelon is not only refreshing, but also helps in reducing water retention and bloating. Kiwi comes in with its vitamin C-loaded zesty punch to help you shed the pounds. Kiwis are great for digestion and can help in reducing And last but definitely not the least, avocado. Rich, creamy, and full of healthy fats that actually help you burn more fat. Avocados are great for your heart and can help in reducing bad cholesterol levels. Incorporate these tasty foods into your daily diet and watch the magic happen. Whether it's a berry smoothie, a slice of avocado toast, or just a plain juicy pear, these fruits are your ticket to a healthier, leaner you. Remember, consistency is key. Make these fruits a regular part of your diet and combine them with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating these fruits into your meals today and take the first step towards a healthier, fitter you. These fruits are not just for weight loss, they are packed with nutrients that are essential for your overall health. Enjoy the journey to a healthier you with these delicious fruits. Make it a family affair and encourage your loved ones to join you in this healthy journey. Together, you can make healthy eating fun and enjoyable. From fruit salads to smoothies, there are endless ways to enjoy these fruits. Get creative in the kitchen and find new ways to incorporate them into your meals. So go ahead and fire up your fat burn with these amazing fruits. Your body will thank you for it. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Cheers to the power of fruit.